3 Splicing computer operation steps. Enter the URL in your computer browser. https://www.ftled.com/missyou. Click to download the zip file of the computer software. Unzip it and install it.
For Android phones, use the mobile browser to scan the QR code to download the mobile app. Download the APK file on the phone and click to install.
Apple phones can directly search in the App Store Missyou to download the mobile app. Check whether the front and rear offset distance of the fan light bar is kept above 1.5 cm. Check whether the safety screw at the back of the machine is fixed. Finally, before turning on the fan, test the fan blades manually to ensure that the light strips do not interfere with each other. After checking the fan, power on the fan and router. Next, open the phone's Wi-Fi connection page. Find the router's Wi-Fi signal, spin display. The password is the same. Note that S and D are uppercase. After successfully connecting to the Wi-Fi network, open the previously downloaded mobile app. After launching the software, click the first Control Device button. Go in and click on the top left corner to see the total number of Wi-Fi signals. For each fan, 1 Wi-Fi signal per fan. Select 3 different Wi-Fi signals. Click the middle. Switch to start the fan. Confirm that the fan corresponds to the Wi-Fi name, and remember the order. If the fan order differs from the Wi-Fi order, the names and order can be changed later. After confirming the Wi-Fi signal strength and order of the 3 fans, proceed with the fan settings. First, confirm the selected fan Wi-Fi signal. Then, click the Settings button in the upper right corner. Find the naming option. Click Change Fan Name. Typically, the first fan is renamed 1 to 1, the second is renamed 2 to 1, and the third is renamed 3, 1. Click Synchronize Group and set the fan to Sync Group 1. After clicking Connect and Router, set the fan's Wi-Fi signal and password to Spin Display. After successful setup, you can see the synchronization group by clicking the upper right corner. Next, click on the Wi-Fi signals of the other 2 fans. After confirming the fan locations, repeat the previous step to set up Sync Group 1 and change the fan name and Wi-Fi name. After successful setup, the synchronization group will see the newly added fan signal. After confirming the location of the last fan, repeat the previous steps to change the synchronization group 1 and change the Wi-Fi name and router settings. Note that at least one of the 3 fans must be set as the host unit. There are no restrictions on which fan can be used. After successful setup, check the sync group to see if you need 3 fan Wi-Fi. In synchronization group 1, you cannot start a single fan by clicking its name. Instead, you can control all 3 fans simultaneously. If you need to upload materials, you can click the plus sign in the upper right corner. Select the image you want to upload and open it. The 3 white circles in the image represent the fan's display area. You can press and hold the image, then slide it up, down, left, or right to adjust the area where the image is displayed. After adjusting, click Send. A new window will pop up. Enter the name of the uploaded file. After clicking Confirm, content will be uploaded to all 3 fans simultaneously. Wait for the progress bar to reach 100% to indicate a successful upload. Next, locate the file you just named and click Play to begin playback. You can also click the plus sign in the upper right corner to upload a video. Select the video you want to upload and open it. The 3 white circles in the image represent the fan's display area. You can press and hold the image and slide it up, down, left, or right to adjust the image's display area. After adjusting, click Send. A new window will pop up. Enter the name of the uploaded file. After clicking Confirm, the content will be uploaded to all 3 fans simultaneously. Please wait for the progress bar to reach 100% to confirm a successful upload. Next, locate the file you just named and click play to begin playback. If you have any unwanted files, select the file and swipe left to see the delete button, click it to remove the file from the three fans. Clicking the settings icon in the upper right corner allows you to adjust the brightness of all three fans simultaneously. Clicking the sound button allows you to connect an external Bluetooth speaker. Simply turn on the switch, enable Bluetooth on the speaker, place it next to the fan, and the fan will automatically connect to the Bluetooth speaker. As long as the source material has background music, it will play automatically after being connected to a Bluetooth speaker. If you don't like the original settings for the fan, you can directly select the Wi-Fi signal for a single fan. Click the settings icon in the upper right corner, then click Restore Factory Settings. After successful formatting, all previous settings will be reset, and the Wi-Fi signal will disappear from the sync group.